So today we are going to be unboxing some Christmas wrappers. So this is the wrappers that I got. They're just the classic designs. So these are made of craft papers. So just and as you can see, they're for smaller, not very big. That's one sheet. There's another sheet. That's like just a Merry Christmas. It's the same dimensions. And then we got this reindeer with a background, blue background. So these are more like neutral color. So like a craft paper color and some blues. There's another one. So I got 6 in total. This one. And then I got 2 sets of those. So these are just the same designs. There's 6. So let's move on to the next one. So I got this Christmas tags. So let me just take it away. So these are also made of craft paper. It already comes with a string. I forgot what this is called, but some of them already popped out. They're just simple Merry Christmas cards that you can put in the gifts. And they came in, I think I have 4 sheets. So 4 times 9. And those are the designs. And then next is, I got some small gift bags. I think this came with, I'm not really sure how many. Oh, 25 pieces. So these are for small Christmas goodies. They're also made of craft paper. As you can see, they're just pretty simple. They're not very thick. They are very thin. And you can wrap them in like this. So the next Christmas wrapper item I got is a ribbon. So I got it's 10 meters. So this is the ribbon. It's like a neutral color, like the craft paper, the theme that I'm going for this year. So as you can see, it's very thin. It's like 1/4 of an inch. And actually got 2 of these ribbons just to make sure I have enough. Piece I have is this stickers. So let me open it, because I usually just print like free printables, but I thought this year would be easier to just get something that's already like a to and from stickers that you could stick on the gifts. And I also picked the craft paper color. So that's all the this is all the Christmas wrappers that I got, and I'm gonna be starting wrapping soon. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one.